Dear students, today I will teach you Mark Twain's famous novel The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. After completing this novel, I will complete the entire syllabus of your course, that is BA 2 semester 3 paper 2nd of Institute of Lucknow. Today in this video I will give you the brief introduction of the writer Mark Twain, and I will also make you familiar with the theme of the novel, and then I will introduce you with the characters of the novel. First, I am going to give you the introduction of the writer in brief. Samuel Langhorne Clemens, popularly known as Mark Twain, was born in 1835 and died in 1910. He is a distinguished American writer, professor, publisher, and a great humorist. William Faulkner considers him as the father of American literature. He is a great humorist and presents images of fantasy and reality, the strengths and weaknesses of the progressing world. He takes his readers to pry into the mindset of the Americans in the late 19th century. He married Olivia alias Livy in 1870, and she remained his source of inspiration throughout his entire literary career until she died in 1904 in Florence. His famous novels are The Adventures of Tom Sawyer 1876, Prince and the Pauper 1881, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn 1884, and A Connecticut Yankee in King Arthur's Court 1889, etc. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn is his masterpiece. It is the sequel of the first novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn was published by his own publishing company, the Charles L. Webster Company. The novel narrates the plight of Negroes in the southern states of America during 19th century, who were bought by white people as slaves to work for them. They were treated inhumanly and given only food and bed. Huckleberry Finn and Jim lived in one of the southern states, Missouri. In the northern states of America, slaves were treated humanly. Jim wanted to flee such a state for freedom. To help slaves to escape was considered as a heinous crime in southern states, and by helping Jim, Huckleberry Finn was landing himself in danger. Now I am going to introduce you with the theme. The writer has employed many themes in the novel. The main theme of the novel is slavery. Other themes are mercy, kindness, compassion, clash, an encounter between romance and realism, and the growth of Hick from boyhood into mature adulthood, recognizing and accepting moral responsibilities. Now I am going to introduce you with the characters of the novel. First is Huckleberry Finn. He is the protagonist of the novel and he is also the narrator of the novel. Huck is a 13-year-old son of a drunk father of St. Petersburg, Missouri, a town on the bank of River Mississippi. He is an educated, thoughtful boy and is influenced by his friend Tom. He drawn from real-life hero Tom Blankenship. Another character is Tom Sawyer. He is Huck's friend who belongs to a middle-class family and the protagonist of the another novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. He dominates Huck throughout the novel. Tom too is taken from real life. St. Clemens himself and his acquaintances Will Bowen and John Briggs. Jim. He is a runaway slave who accompanies Huck to sail to Mississippi. He is slave to Miss Watson. He is intelligent, humane, and has fidelity of dog. He is modeled after a middle-aged slave to his own brother, John Quarles. The writer has described the growth of his manhood and maturity. He is superstitious and believes in ghosts, witches, portents, and ominous things. He exhibits fatherly love towards Huck. Pep Finn, Huck's drunken father who abuses him often and steals his money that he got in reward. He is an uneducated person, disapproves Huck's education and often beats him at one pretext or the other. Now another character is Aunt Polly, Tom Sawyer's aunt and guardian, Sally Phelps' sister. She is seen at the end of the novel and identifies Huck when he pretends as Tom. The Duke, the river conman who claims to be the Duke of Bridgewater and takes Huck and Jim's raft in his custody. He is fraud like Dauphin. The Dauphin, the river conman who claims the heir of French throne, and he is also a fraud. Widow Douglas, she is a widow and fosters good values like kindness and righteousness in Huck. Miss Watson, Widow Douglas' sister who tries Huck to be civilized and be religious. Joe Harper, Ben Rogers, Tommy Barnes, they are friends of Tom Sawyer and members of the band of robbers. Judge Hatcher, a gentle judge who watches Huck's reward money. Miss Judith Loftus, St. Petersburg's civilized lady whom Huck visits in the guise of a girl. The Grangerfords, a kind family who takes care of Huck when he is separated from Jim. Shepherdsons, a family who has a rift with Granger Force. Peter Wilkes, deceased townsman whose family takes the Duke, the King, and Huck as Peter Wilkes' two brothers and boy servant. Mary Jane, Susan, and John, Peter Wilkes' nieces who are lured by the Duke and the King. Silas and Sally Phelps. Sally is the sister of Tom's aunt Polly, and Silas is her husband. They are very kind to Jim and try to return Jim to his parents. He encounters them when he searches Jim after Conman sells Jim. Thank you, and thank you very much. In the next video, I will give you the summary of the novel.